7:13 now. We're tracking Irene on this special extended edition of Eyewitness News this morning.
Taking a live look now over the city of Providence, specifically the Fox Point Hurricane Barrier, where the Army Corps of Engineers have officially closed the city's hurricane barrier.
And right now we want to get right to Eyewitness News reporter Catherine Sonic. She is live near that hurricane barrier in Providence with the late breaking details. Kat?
Yeah, and actually I'm laughing out here right now because we have a trash bag. The rain has definitely picked up within the last hour or so, so we have a trash bag. My photographer has a trash bag over the camera, so if you see something black coming in the front, that is what that is with the wind, and that's what we've been having here in the past half hour or so. The rain and the wind definitely picking up, and we also have some major developments. Things have been changing by the minute here in downtown Providence. One of those is the Fox Point Hurricane Barrier here behind me. We're going to try to zoom in here. You can see that all three gates, as I've been reporting throughout the morning, all three gates at this point have been closed. I believe the last one over there in the back, that one was closed yesterday, and the remaining two were closed within the past hour or so, and the wind and the rain are just driving at this point. You can see the river levels. This is very important to point out as well. The reason why we shut the hurricane barrier in the first place is to protect the city of Providence from flooding, and high tide is hitting about an hour from now at 8 o'clock in the morning. So that is the problem, the tidal surge. That is what we are trying to avoid, and the river level has definitely increased as we've been out here. The level is going up. We've been monitoring it all morning long, definitely going up at this point. Another major important thing that happened out here, we're going to try to walk around here. Dave, if you can watch out for that tripod. If we can get over here, this is something very unusual here in Providence. You can see a white wall down here on South Water Street. That white wall, that's managed by the city of Providence. They shut that as well in preparation for this storm, for Hurricane Irene. So that has been shut down within the past hour as well, and that's to prevent flooding here. There's 4 of them in the city of Providence. I talked to Sal Solomon. He's a city worker a short time ago, and I do owe him an apology because I called him Sam earlier. It's Sal Solomon. Talked to him a little while ago, and he explained exactly what this wall is all about, and we do have a soundbite from him, so if we can roll that now, we'll get a little explanation on that.
What we're doing is we're going to shut down one of the street gates because it's the closest near the water, which is the South Water Street gate. We're just going to take a precaution because the elevation of the water is supposed to be rising. So basically we're just going to close this one down for now, and then we'll just follow procedure later on.
Tell me what type of process this entails here.
You have to open up plates that are in the ground, bring the arms up, and the gates have 2 large doors. It's all going to be pushed together, then bolted down.
So South Water Street is blocked off at this point as well. You cannot use it to get onto 195. That is run by the city of Providence. And if we go back over here, the hurricane barrier, that is run by the Army Corps of Engineers. We are trying to get an official from the Army Corps of Engineers to talk to them about why they decided to close this and what constitutes closing it. So hopefully we'll have some more information on that later. But for now, we'll send it back to you guys. Reporting live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, I'm Catherine Sonic, Eyewitness News.